Rain on the train. My ride's a train. The rain begins to fall. She sees a snail on the rail. The train goes to the fair. My and the snail enjoy the rain. The bee and the tree. Lee sees a tree. A bee buzzes by the tree. The bee has sweet honey. Lee climbs the tree. Lee and the bee share the honey. The bright light. Cy sees a light. The light is bright. It shines in the night. Cy follows the light. Cy and the light brighten the night.
The boat and the goat. A goat sails a boat. The boat floats on the moat. The goat has a coat. It is a cool day. The goat and the boat sway. The new stew. Sue makes new stew. The stew is hot and sweet. She adds a few peas. Her crew loves the stew. Sue and the crew chew the stew.
Roy's toy. Roy has a toy. The toy makes a noise. Roy plays with joy. The toy spins fast. Roy and his toy have a blast.
The mouse and the house. A mouse finds a house. The house is round. The mouse jumps out. It runs around the yard. The mouse and the house are friends.
The blue glue. Sue has blue glue. She uses it to make art. The art sticks to the wall. The blue glue shines. Sue and her blue glue create fun.
The clean team. The team is clean. They clean with glee. The team sweeps the street. They find a leaf. The clean team feels neat.
The boat and the road. Joe has a boat. The boat is on a road. He pulls the boat to a lake. The boat floats away. Joe and the boat stay.